Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Alright. Y'all, I can't get over my hair. You have never seen nobody this slick. Okay. Alright, so we're back at Walgreens. We're gonna go get the last two pictures that I had to print out. It's so hot, y'all. Here's my little outfit. Hakuna Matata with my Jeffrey sandals. Nothing major, but yeah. Definitely just hurry up and get these. Go to the dollar store, see if they have frames, and then be on my way. Alright, so we're back inside the venue. It is currently 11:15 a.m. The venue starts, the bridal shower starts at 4:30, so we're just gonna be finishing setting up. This is what it looks like so far. Got all the tables and their things. So I'm about to get started on this table. This table is where I'm gonna do the gifts. So I have this box, I'm gonna have that, and then yeah, we're just gonna get started. We're dancing. Ah! It's so cute. This on. Candles from home. Come in here, stay in here. Two charger places and go on our table. Hot potato, hot potato, hot potato. So this is what our table looks like so far. We're gonna put a red linen under, and then I'm gonna put candles. We have this thing. I'm gonna use the two beaded. These are gonna go on the throne chair. What? Go get them. In the cart? Oh, with your mom? Jojo, what are you doing? Boy, what you doing?
He dropping off.
He really turning it like it's a wheel. You driving? You're funny. I brought this from home. This one. I know. I got it from Michael's a few years ago, and I used to use it as a YouTube background. So, oh, let me bring this.
Perfect.
Oh, that's cute. We can use that for the backdrop.
What's it doing?
Oh, there's three.
Candelabra. Bing, 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 bing. Ew, don't touch that. Ew. Shoto, baby.
Oh, that's the bottom piece. That's the top piece.
Oh, okay. I knew one of them was a little red.
There you go.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Girl. What you doing? You helping? Oh, wow. This is cute. That is fancy. That's really fancy.
What time they delivering the chair?
3 o'clock they'll bring the chair.
Or would you like the next one?
Oh, we have 2 more, right? Technically every table has something. Maybe on the stage. The last 2 candelabras. Yeah, we'll put them on the stage.
You want them on the stage?
Yeah, right here. Let's find out where it goes. Oh, so pretty. I want some of these. Where you get these from? I want a candelabra in my house.
She got those when Johnny was getting married.
I want one of these in my house.
There's another hole here.
You know where it goes? Where it's missing? Oh, you can put it right here. You see that little hole right there? Put it in there.
There's another hole right here.
Okay, but this part, where that hook part is, you're gonna hook it right in there. Uh-oh. You can do it?
Love it.
Oh, you need more flowers, Jazzy? Naisha's on balloon duty.
Oh, I thought he was trying to talk the thing down.
Jojo! Jojo! One. Here, can you just pull them off for me?
The rings are gonna have to stay.
Yeah, there you go. Perfect. You're so good at this.
Put this. And you're gonna go up. Can you raise it? And you're gonna put it right here. You're gonna put it under though. Go under? No, hold it. Now put it in. Push it in. Got it?
Alright, so what do you want me to do, babe?
Boom. You did it. You did it, Jazzy. Go, Jazzy. Now,
Somebody tell me to leave at 1 o'clock.
We gonna walk around and do that?
It's 12.
My appointment's at 1:45. I'm just gonna go home, wash my face.
Still, you don't want to be rushing.
I'm not. I'm just gonna wash my house down the street. I'm gonna wash my face and then go. 1:45 I start. So if I leave here at 1,
Where's the place at?
Blue Heron. Naja's doing it. She's doing nothing. Jeez,
And she just got here.
and she just got here. Okay, you know what you can do? Whatever looks like trash, ask if it's trash and throw it away. Oh, are you not done with this? You're not even done with this. Girl.
I quit. That junk is so
Joey!
Oh, please.
You got 2 more left.
Jazzy.
Gold one. Big
Oh.
gold.
Okay, I'm just disperse the rest of the candy. Why you didn't bring no food with you?
You know what's really good from Dunkin' Donuts?
Can you just go around and make sure these are like centered in the table? Because some of them look, some of them look a little, uh-oh, this tablecloth is backwards. Do you think this matters?
Did I put it backwards?
Do you think it matters? The tag is showing.
You know, fashion, exclusive, fancy, smancy, luxury. You can't get this nowhere else.
Fancy smancy?
Fancy, smancy.
Oh, snapper.
You know, this is like from Paris. Let me stop.
Go ahead, you gotta do the walk then. Do the walk. The walk, yeah. The model walk. Hey, that do be their fashion. That do.
Not the red carpet. Oh,
They gotta stop.
so how long do carpets? That parking lot looks small.
Facts.
No, that's what I was thinking.
All right, everybody. So we are now on our way to do the makeup, baby girl. I already washed my face and everything, but yeah, we're gonna go do my makeup. Why is this thing so blurry? Come on. Yeah, I'm about a minute away from doing my makeup, and I'll show you guys a little bit of the process. I don't like to record while people are doing my makeup, so yeah. I will see you guys after, if not during. We'll see how it goes. I'm so excited. I'm about to get married. Okay, let me finish my breakfast. It's 1:30 right now. So after this, I'm gonna go home, rest a little bit, just lay down, try not to mess up my hair, or makeup. And then by 3:30, we're gonna be dressed and go take some pictures. You guys, so I'm finally back home. I'm about to rest for the next 30 minutes. Just chill, take a shot. I got a package from someone for the registry, so I'm super excited. We'll open that probably later tonight or tomorrow. Yeah, feeling good about everything. Everything has been going very smooth so far. Everything is just like really nice, and I'm so grateful to God. First of all, let me put my phone on the charger. That's number one. blinds. Yeah, everything has been going really smooth. My makeup is beautiful. She did an absolutely amazing job on my face. I feel so pretty. I really like it. Super natural, just an inner corner little thing. It feels like I have nothing on. Absolutely beautiful. So it's 3 o'clock right now, and I'm gonna rest for 30 minutes, put on my dress at 3:30. DJ's gonna come home, and then from there we're gonna go take our own individual pictures. And then, why is my phone not loading the pictures? I'm getting married. All right, let me get ready. Oh, I need to get Anasia's dress. I actually want to try to, you know what, I'm gonna knock out this reel real quick. I'm gonna do a little get ready with me with these Tabitha Brown stuff. Since I'm all dolled up, this would be a perfect time to do it. Let me do that right now while I have this time to be resting. Let me take a quick shot though, because I do want to just feel, you know, relaxed a little bit. Let me get the dress for my friend, and then we'll go from there. See you guys. All right guys, so I just finished my reel. I look so good. He's supposed to have already taken a shower, but he's playing around. Go, man. You only got 20 minutes. When he here, we just getting right out there and taking pictures. So, babe, wash it in the shower. You don't have to do all that. Do it in the shower. Take it with you in the shower.
Don't do this?
Yeah, in the shower. Don't do it at the thing. Do it in the shower. That's actually the best place to do it, so you always remember. All right. We got Nasia and Gigi getting dolled up and ready. You know what, Faylene? Let me see if she can take this stuff. Let me ask her. But yeah, I'm about to get dressed. It's 3:40. I'm gonna get dressed at 3:50. I just gotta put on a dress. My makeup's done. I'm gonna put my earrings in right now. Do I have earrings? Is the question. Do I have earrings? Oh shoot! I'm calling Faylene. I might be at the phone. I'm losing my mind. Okay. Oh, I didn't put deodorant on. I'm gonna need a fan just like this when I'm getting dressed for the wedding. Keep me cool. Oh yeah, I'm getting dressed here. No, I got 2 of these. It's okay. All right, can I get a zip up, please? Oh, this hair gonna be sticking to this dress. A sequence in the hair already. It is what it is. I'll just keep brushing it. I don't really care. All right, zip it.
Yes, it's gonna stick.
It's all right. Just make do. Shit.
Gigi, come here. I just don't like the resistance. Hold this like this. I don't feel like I'm gonna pop it right now.
Probably should wear
It's a little stuck.
Should I put on a girdle?
You don't need it. It's just, it's not you, it's me. Okay. You know how you get stuck in one little spot, you gotta keep moving it to get it to. Yeah, it has to be stuck. It's not you. It's stuck. Okay.
Pull it down and then try to
pull
move
it
it
straight. Now pushing it.
You need strength, DJ? Babe?
You can try, but it's because it's stuck.
Babe? I need your help. How bad down? How down is it?
We're right here. It's just keep getting stuck in this one area.
So that means it's something stuck on it? Check it like that. Try to flip it.
You might need your manpower. You keep getting stuck in this area. It's stuck. It's not her. It's the zipper.
It's the zipper?
Yeah.
There we go.
See? It's this one spot right here. We got you. We'll get you in the stress.
Like, I know it fits.
It fit. It's the zipper. It keep getting stuck in that one little spot. Let me bring it down again.
You'd pull it up, babe.
Yeah, you probably don't have to. I've been trying to pull out my hand.
Don't rip the dress. Ain't nothing's.
Let it go.
We'll resume after these messages. All right, you guys, so the bridal shower is over. I'm home now. Y'all see a lot of behind the scenes on our channel. I'll put some on this vlog too. But anyways, I'm gonna close out this vlog. I'm about to just get out this dress, chill with my fiance and the girls, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Is it zipping?
Huh?
Well, somewhat. Oh,
Yeah.
up there. It's still
Yeah,
on
on
the
the
top.
top.
We're gonna work on the flowers Monday.
Girl,
The rest of the
work on
flowers.
it on like Tuesday or Wednesday. I'll show you what's going on
You got
here.
how much of the other one?
More sewing. There's probably a safety pin in there somewhere because I'm pretty full.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see it.
You got how much of the other one?
Girl,
Baby, what the hell?
Well,
what you thought?
What type of safety pin is this?
A variety. Like 7 of them. I don't know. I'm exaggerating. You need her too. Yep.
Hey.
Pain is beauty? Or beauty is pain? What is it?
Yeah, one of them.
I'm out of here,
It's
y'all.
beauty
Thank
is
you,
pain.
Nancy.
Thank you. We'll work on them on Tuesday. Okay. It's loosening. I feel the looseness.
Hey.
Back. I was scared it wouldn't make it.
Wow.
Yep.
Your mama's not playing no game, boy. What?
Girl.
She saw that thing in a pattern. They sold you in this dress, basically?
When I was taking we were taking pictures in the clubhouse here, and then
Mhm.
when I sat down on one of the chairs, they just opened.
Ah!
And I told Richard, we just gotta finish the pictures, and then we drove there so they could sew me up because I didn't have nothing here to do it myself. I wouldn't be able to do it myself. So we went over there, and using safety pins at first, I'm like, no, you gotta sew it. The way it was open like that, it had to be sewn. Good thing we had bought that sew kit last night though.
There you go. I can see the strings where she sewed it up. I'm glad you did a ponytail because it really popped out.
I know, because at first I was like, when she told me that we wouldn't be able to do the bubble, I was like, okay, maybe I'll do the low bun to like really test it. I'm like, let me just do a long ponytail since I bought all these bundles. Suki. Girl, just do what you gotta do to open it, and then I have to go get it fixed anyway. So just.
I don't want to rip it. Oh my god. Hey. Hey, help me. Hey. Auntie.
That's what's happening last time.
Back to where we started, you guys.
Wow.
I'm stuck in it.
Wow. Hey. And me if be too, I don't make peace. You from? I don't want to pop because I feel like the only thing I can do is just cut the zipper off. Is that okay with you? No? Don't cut it?
No, I'd rather just fight and pull it off. Like pull
Let
it.
me see if we can do this.
Or
Here. Oh, we have to do it.
Let me know when you tap out.
it pops?
Yeah. The zipper.
Okay, well,
Just
either way,
zipper.
it's
So,
fine.
You're good.
Yeah, because we gotta get it fixed
Alright.
anyways. I'm free! Ghetto.